So I started with having a degree in electrical and computer engineering. So from there, I got a job as a network engineer, then eventually as a project manager, and then I did a part-time MBA in Canada when this was happening. Eventually, from there, I got an opportunity to work in the healthcare space in information security, and then eventually got into product management roles. So I have like about 18 years experience in both clean energy and the healthcare sectors. However, during the pandemic, I did get the opportunity to go back into cybersecurity from product management to leverage many of the skills, certifications I gathered over the years. Today, I'm actually a senior manager in the digital security operations space, helping with both cloud and application security. So it's definitely leveraging a lot of the stuff that I've learned from product management and project management, key skills that I think are they're relevant for the information security space. Oh wow! So I looked at the CH program back in 2012. This is like 10 years ago. I just never got the chance to fully complete it. But in my current role, I realized that to do my job more effectively, I had to get back to fundamentals, and CH provides that foundation for my current role. So it actually was a good refresher, a reminder of all the core principles in cybersecurity to be able to bring to the table as I was doing the activities in my role. So dealing with many applications in the cloud, understanding the many threat vectors, potential attacks, it helps me to work better with my team to ensure security posture implementations effectively reduce our risk profile. So that's basically how it's benefiting right now. So doing the hands-on exam where you really get to experience how a SQL injection works, learning some of the hacking tools, there's a lot of value with the hands-on aspect of the program for putting theory into practice. So for me, being able to do all of that stuff actually helped me get be more knowledgeable about some of the cybersecurity skills. It's definitely helping my peers at work when I guide them with which programs, certifications they can pursue to help learn something new that would benefit their career. But not only that, I'm also playing a part where I can help with the CISO exam, drafting of exam questions. Just recently, I was made a CISO exam items writer recently, so I'm going to be helping with that, and I'm sure some of the CH fundamentals learnings will be some form of a question or something in the CISO exam. So I think it's going to be tough to pick something specific. I enjoy both the content and the hands-on. I'm usually the person that does self-study, so for me, like I think it definitely takes more than 5 days. Especially there's a lot of like courses that takes you through the CH program in a week. But I feel it takes really more than 5 days to really digest the amount of content and truly absorb the material. I mean, being able to actually conduct things like a brute force attack, SQL injection, and trying to put those theories into practice is definitely something for anyone to be able to practice and learn. So to be able to truly absorb the material is a matter of applying whatever you learn to practice, I feel. So for me, I can't really pick any specific favorite part. All of it was pretty much enjoyable for me. So I think the content and the learnings for all the programs I've done, the CEH program, the CISO program, I think all of that I've gained will always be valuable wherever I go to, whatever role I'm in. I mean, the different programs do provide anyone with the whole cybersecurity picture. So it just really shows how vast of a field cybersecurity really is. And my message to EC Council is that, always keep staying on the edge of new things in cybersecurity, especially the cloud, AI, blockchain. Those areas are currently in high demand for talent, and anywhere that EC Council can help folks make sure they're more knowledgeable about these areas is definitely going to be beneficial for their role and career.